Looking for the fuse box diagram and location for the 2024 Audi Q7? Would you like to know where to find the user guide that details the specific fuses and their functions? Are you interested in understanding how to access the fuse box for maintenance or troubleshooting? Driver's side footwell left-hand drive vehicles. The driver's side footwell in left-hand drive vehicles provides space for the driver's feet and controls, offering comfort and ease of access to pedals. It often houses important components such as the fuse box, OBD, 2-port, and sometimes electrical wiring for various systems. Front passenger's side footwell right-hand drive vehicles. In right-hand drive vehicles, the front passenger's side footwell provides space for the passenger's feet and ensures comfort during travel. It often contains essential components like the fuse box, airbag system wiring, and sometimes climate control ducts. Driver's side cockpit. The driver's side cockpit is designed to provide the driver with easy access to key controls and vehicle information. Key features include the steering wheel, instrument cluster, and the dashboard with controls for climate, infotainment, and safety systems. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box controls electrical components in the rear of the vehicle, such as tail lights, trunk lights, rear wipers, and sometimes rear window heating. It provides easy access to replace fuses for these systems, helping to ensure that electrical components in the trunk area remain functional.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.